Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Flow. I am Mohin, and today I want to tell you a simple story. A story that many beginners feel nervous about. A story about standing in front of a class and saying, "Hello, my name is..." Sounds easy, right? But for many people, it is not easy. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English in a calm, natural, and confident way. By the end of this episode, you will feel ready to speak. Are you a little nervous? Good. That means you care. Let's begin. Have you ever stood in a classroom and suddenly your mind goes blank? You know your name, you know what to say, but still you feel stuck. Listen carefully. You don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to start. Hey, Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, but a little nervous, honestly.
Nervous? Why?
Today is my first day in a new English class.
Ah, I see. Let me guess. You have to introduce yourself.
Yes, exactly. And I hate that part.
Why? It's just saying your name, right?
It sounds simple, but when I stand up, I feel everyone is looking at me.
That's normal. Everyone feels that at the beginning.
Really?
Of course. Even confident people feel nervous sometimes.
That makes me feel a little better.
Good. So what are you planning to say?
I don't know. Maybe, "Hi, my name is Emma?"
That's a good start. Keep it simple.
But is that enough?
For beginners, yes, more than enough.
Okay, but what else can I say?
Let's build it slowly, no pressure.
Okay, I'm listening.
Start like this. Hi, my name is Emma. I am from the USA.
Oh, that sounds easy.
Exactly. Then you can add one more line.
Like what?
Maybe, I am a student.
Hi, my name is Emma. I am from the USA. I am a student. That sounds nice.
See? You're already doing it.
Yeah, but I'm still nervous.
That's okay. Let's practice a little.
Okay,
Okay. Imagine I am your teacher. Ready?
okay, ready.
Please introduce yourself.
Slowly. Hi, my name is Emma. I am from the USA. And I am a student.
Perfect.
Really?
Yes. Simple, clear, natural.
But I spoke slowly.
That's good. Slow is better than fast and wrong.
That makes sense.
Now let's add a small personal touch.
Like what?
Something about your interest.
Oh, okay.
Try this. I like reading books.
Oh, I like that.
Say it again, all together.
More confident. Hi, everyone. My name is Emma. I am from the USA. I am a student. I like reading books. Nice to meet you.
That's it. That's a perfect introduction.
Wow, it feels easier now.
Because you're not trying to be perfect. You're just being clear.
Yeah, I think I was thinking too much before.
That's the problem. Beginners think too much.
True.
Let me tell you something.
What?
In your class, no one expects perfect English.
Really?
Everyone is learning, just like you.
That's comforting.
Also, when you speak simply, people understand you better.
That's true.
Now imagine this. You stand up,
Okay.
you smile,
Yes,
and you say your introduction calmly.
that sounds nice.
And then you sit down.
That's it?
That's it.
I think I made it more scary in my head.
Exactly.
Confident, relaxed. Hi, everyone. My name is Emma. I am from the USA. I am a student. I like reading books. Nice to meet you.
That was excellent.
Thank you.
See? You didn't freeze.
Yeah, I feel much better now.
Good. That's how confidence grows. Small steps.
I wish I knew this before.
Now you do.
And I think others need to hear this too.
Exactly. That's why we're here. So, what did we learn today? You don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need a simple structure, a calm voice, and a little courage. Say your name. Say where you're from. Say one small thing about yourself. That's enough.
If you liked this story, and if it helped you feel more confident, then like this video. Write a comment. I can introduce myself. And don't forget to subscribe to Speak English Flow, because here you don't just learn English, you learn how to speak it naturally. Thank you for listening today. Take your time, practice slowly, and remember, English is not your enemy, it's your tool. See you in the next episode.